Okay, so today we're going to talk about reinstalling a new horn bezel on these Cadillac Eldorado and Cadillac DeVilles that had this horn bezel. And these are all molded out of an ABS high heat plastic, so they are made to endure many, many years of use and enjoyment. So when we ship these out, you can purchase these on our website or give us a call and purchase one. But when we ship these out, we ship them with a small tube of silicone that goes on and holds the bezel in place. And so I'm going to show you the process of how to put these on. So you open up the little tube of silicone and puncture the end of it, and then you just come in and put a dollop of silicone on each one of these raised points like that on both sides, just like that. And then we're going to come around on the front side and put a couple of dollops of that just right along here, just like that. And this silicone is a high heat silicone that can handle literally several hundred degrees, so it will stand the test of time as well. There we go, just like that. Then lid back on the silicone so it doesn't bleed out. Then we're going to set the horn bezel in place just like that, real carefully. Then we're going to tape it in place to hold it while that silicone dries, just like that. And then I'll also come in and put a couple of pieces over the top, hold that up against the wheel, just like that. So we're going to let that dry, and then it'll be ready to ship out or ready to put back on the vehicle.